Steaming is often called the healthiest way to cook, but if your steamer doesn't reach 212 fast enough, your food spends too much time in the bacterial danger zone. At Wade Media Labs, we tested 12 of the top-selling food steamers, from electric models to stovetop inserts, to find out which ones actually hit the safety zone under pressure. We used high-precision digital thermocouples placed at the center of each steaming chamber. We measured exactly how many seconds it took for each unit to reach a consistent 212 starting from a cold boil. The variance was staggering. While some professional-grade inserts reached temperature in under 90 seconds, several popular electric models took over 5 minutes to reach a true boil. A slow start doesn't just affect safety, it affects texture. Longer warm-up times lead to mushy vegetables and unevenly cooked proteins. Only 3 steamers passed our sprint test with a sub-2-minute warm-up and consistent thermal stability. These 3 are the only ones we found that guarantee both speed and food safety. When it comes to steaming, the safety zone isn't a suggestion, it's a requirement. Performance is about precision, not just heat. See the full temperature charts, the warm-up times for all 12 models, and our top 3 picks at cookwarescout.com. Look for the steamer safety audit.